CourseMint, created by Bill McRae of McRae Soft AI Solutions, is a comprehensive training library designed to give small business owners and solopreneurs practical, results driven education in AI, digital marketing, traffic generation, automation, and monetization. Unlike traditional course platforms that focus on theory or outdated strategies, CourseMint emphasizes real world execution, teaching proven systems that have been tested in live campaigns and are built to generate measurable results. The platform integrates multiple critical business skills, such as AI prompting, content creation, email marketing, and funnel optimization, into one streamlined ecosystem, allowing users to avoid the cost and confusion of purchasing separate courses or tools. Designed specifically for individuals operating with limited time, budget, or technical experience, CourseMint simplifies complex processes and accelerates the learning curve, enabling users to implement strategies quickly and effectively. By focusing on the core drivers of online success, traffic, conversions, automation, and consistency, while leveraging AI as a central operating tool, CourseMint aligns users with the future of digital business. Ultimately, it serves not just as a collection of courses, but as a complete business building system that empowers users to grow, automate, and scale their income in a rapidly evolving online landscape.